Okay? Before I move on, one of the best ways to deal with that one, the lack of positive feedback or recognition, is learn how to recognize and give yourself feedback. Okay? Learn how to give yourself a high five and say, good job, good job. Good job, good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job, good job. Good job, good job. Put your hand together. Good job, good job. J-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job, good job. Say it one more time. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job, good job. Now give yourself a hand, come on. Give yourself a hand. At least you got the song right. Now I want you to try to remember that little song and tell yourself that every day. No matter what you do for a living, you tell yourself good job. Okay? Tell yourself good job. And make sure you do a good job, because every time you do a good job, you tell yourself good job, whether you get the recognition from the boss or not, you got it from yourself. Okay? All right?